Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you move columns in MS Excel. Alright, so let's get started. So as you can see right here, I have some data which have some names and country. So what we're gonna do is, as you can see right here, there is a column of first name and there's a column of last name and there's a column of country. I want the column of first name to be appear after last name. So one thing I can do is simply cut the whole column and then paste it and then deleting. So this is not what we're gonna do. So the easy step to do this is first select this whole column and press shift key. And as you can see right here that a special cursor has been appeared. Now what we're gonna do is simply drag this after last name. And as you can see right here, the column is now moved. So this is a simple step on how can you move columns in MS Excel. I hope this video helped you out. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video.